Today was meant to be just another field site evaluation, another day as an agronomist. But somewhere along the way, nature decided to show off. I stood still, watching crystal clear river water flow so peacefully. Mountains rising with quiet strength, and a view so beautiful it spoke without words, making me just pause and breathe. I couldn't waste the moment but to sing, "How great thou art!" Of course, to the Almighty God, the creator of all things. It's so beautiful. I'm grateful I get to not just study the land, but to experience it, to connect with it, to protect something so pure and so essential to life. Agriculture is more than crops and data. It's about purpose, stewardship. It's about seeing beauty where others might not pause to look. And for those who truly love nature and long for moments that ground you and remind you what really matters, maybe this path is one worth considering. It changes how you see the world. Bye.